Are you okay, da? Harini? Are you okay? Okay, da. Hi, guys.
Hi, Auntie.
How is it going? What are you doing in school, Krish? School started?
No, school is starting tomorrow.
Oh, starting tomorrow. Okay, good. Okay. How about you? And what are you doing? Anirudh, what are you doing in school?
We're still doing quadratic.
You're still doing quadratics. Okay. Where are we? Any questions on your homework last week? Complex numbers, operations, quadratic solving. Any questions on that? Yeah, so I have done till page number 189 in the book, which is good. Adav, did you have any questions?
No.
Okay, Shragvi? Okay, so for this week, you can do operations on complex numbers from the book, which is okay. Okay, how about this? You know what? I have prepared a test for you guys. This is session 1 end class, right? I have prepared a test. That's a 20 question test. Shall I administer it at the end? Whatever you have in your brain, you can use that and do. Is that okay? Can we do that at the end?
Can we do it in that class period if that's possible? So like we can have more time to prepare for it. Because like I think it'd just be better, we'd have better results if we had more time to prepare before the session test before.
Ma, always remember, ma, see, if it is session 1, na, last class, you will have a test or some discussion about the test at least or a test. So you want it next week, huh? Shall I give it to you next week then?
I mean, it's fun either way, it's your choice.
Yeah, I'm okay with anything, guys. Okay, I'm okay with either administering it now or administering it later. Anything works with me. Okay, how about the others? All of you want it next week or this week?
Can we have it next week?
Sure.
I'm fine with either.
I'm fine with it. Okay, let's have it next week. There are 2, 3 that ask for next week, which makes sense for me. Okay. Do we have a 4-week calendar, Adav, from?
Yeah. Do you mean like the one that says like what the homework is and when the quizzes are and stuff?
Yeah.
Yeah, I have that.
Can you send it to me for all the 4 9-week session you have it?
They only give it module by module, so I only know up till October 29th.
Would you mind sending it to me?
Yeah. Do you want me to just send you a screenshot?
Yeah, right now. Right now I want to see.
Okay.
Because right now, can I see?
Do you want me to screen share?
Yes, please. It would be good if you screen share. I just want to know what are you guys covering. See, my plan is to cover quadratic inequalities today. But after that, I really want to know what you guys have. Can you show?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
So we have a quiz this Wednesday and then the 3-4 test next Tuesday.
See, okay. So let's go ahead and cover quadratic inequalities, then we'll review. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, Adav. This helps.
All right.
Okay, how about this? Would you be able to, based on last week, right? We worked on complex number operations. I did solve some. Let's see. I don't know where you are on this. If you don't know, I'll go over it once more. Okay. You're seeing my board? How do you solve this? I would like to know how many real roots, imaginary or real roots, and also what are they? I can do it for you. But if you would like to give it a try, I would be happy.
Miss Priya, I sent my answer, but I'm not sure if it's right because I got a weird
I-
answer.
1 minute. More.
Okay.
Test will be administered next week, right? Okay, there's no change in that. Okay. Dhwani, is that correct?
Are you talking about the discriminant or the answer? Oh wait, I know why it's wrong. I didn't put the I. I didn't put the I in front of the square root or after the square root because it's supposed to be imaginary.
Wow, Sitara, good job. Yeah. Sitara, both are right.
Oh, I thought I got it wrong because I got like a really
No, yeah,
long
weird answer. Correct.
answer. Okay.
It is weird. That's why I gave you. Ma, if you want me to do, please don't hesitate. Just let me know. Okay, it's quite important for me to know.
Sorry, Auntie, I was outside and then I was running late.
Maria, thank you for letting me know. I really appreciate letting me know. Go ahead. Arya, we are solving the question on the board. That's the first question. Actually, I had prepared for a 20 question test, quick test for 30 minutes in this class towards the end of the class. But when we logged into the class, there was a couple of requests from you kids asking for it to be administered next week. So we decided to take up the test next week. And I decided to go ahead with the rest of quadratics, meaning quadratic inequalities today. I did check with Arya what's going on in, I'm sorry, with the other what's going on in school. So looks like we are on same pace with them. By October 30, whatever will be completed, we'll be doing it today.
Okay, thank you.
Not really, guys. Oh, Adav, you have to simplify, right, Adav? Adav, your answer seems correct, but I think you need to simplify, Adav.
Okay.
Mm, that is not correct. Okay, guys, if you're having tough time, I will help you. Pranav, that doesn't seem right. Anirudh, that seems right. Pranav K. 602. That doesn't seem right, Pranav K. Okay. Krish, that is perfectly right. Dhwani, somehow it's not matching up, ma. Not really, Adav. What happened to square root of 108, Adav? Oh, Cheryl, good job, ma. Yeah, I will definitely do Vagmi. See, no problem, guys. Doesn't matter even if one of you or two of you don't know. We will go over it again. Does not matter. So here, let me try this one. I'm going to do this problem. Okay, Vagmi, I'm definitely going to do it on the board for you. So let's see this one. 7. Oh, why am I not able to write, guys? I really don't know why. Sorry, guys, I'm checking. Hold on. Something is not right. Okay. I'm able to write. Okay. 7x square plus 2x plus 4 equal to 0, right? Discriminant is b square minus 4ac. What is the discriminant? 4 minus 474. Okay, 4 minus 16 times 7. 70 plus 42. 4 minus
Miss,
70.
if you're writing something, we can't see it.
Okay, you guys. I don't know. Hold on. There's some problem. I'm going to rewrite everything because it'll go very sure. Okay, see whether you're able to see. I'm going to write. The question given was. Yeah, I think you'll be able to see now. I don't know why it turned orange for me when I shared it. Now it is okay in green. Plus 2x. Are you able to see Dhwani?
Yeah, it's better now.
Okay. 7x square plus 2x plus 4 equal to 0. Now I am working on the discriminant b square minus 4ac, right? 16 times 7, 4 minus, so 42. 42 plus 70, 112. 4 minus 112 is minus 108. Discriminant is less than 0, so it is 2 imaginary roots. Any questions on this? Now, how to find the imaginary roots? X will be equal to minus b plus or minus discriminant divided by 2a minus b plus or minus 108 by 2 times 7 minus 2 plus or minus 108 root by 14. Now I can separate this and write down minus 2 by 14 plus or minus root of minus 108 by 14. Now it becomes minus 1 by 7 plus or minus root 108. Find the factors. You see, now it becomes 2 times 3, 6 comes out. So it will be 6 root 3 by 14. However, because of the minus inside, there is also an I. Now I can simplify this to 3, 7. Minus 1 by 7 plus or minus 3 root 3 I by 7. Any questions? Any questions? Pranav K, did you see what is the mistake?
No, sorry. I
No,
messed
no,
up on the
not at all a problem.
I didn't apply the negative 14 to the imaginary side. I only applied it to the real side.
Oh, okay. Okay. So now my question is, you have these two answers, right? How will you check if your answer is right? in the test and all, when you write a quiz at school and all, it's good to test whether your answer is right. Okay, while reviewing, right? You know what I would do if I were you? I would substitute, plug in back. In the sense 7x square, right? So for x square, I would go ahead and substitute one of these. The positive value I'll substitute plus 3 root 3I by 7 the whole square plus 2 times minus 1 plus 3 root 3I by 7 plus 3. Is it a minus 1? I'm going to check. Okay. It's crazy, but we need to check it. Okay. This will get cancelled with 1 7. It's altogether squared, right? But 1 7 would get cancelled. So basically, this becomes minus 1 plus 3 root 3I the whole square by 7 minus 2. Then I get 6 root 3I by 7 plus 3. Now what happened? This square is what? 1. 1 square minus 1 square and then 3 root 3I square. What is that? 9 times 3 times I square minus 27. So that would be minus 27. And then plus, this is a plus, right? So plus 2ab, 3 2s are 6, minus 6 root 3I. And then when you look at it, minus 2 plus 6 root 3I divide by 7 plus 3. This and this get cancelled. Now what do you get? 27, 29. 29 minus 29 plus 1 minus 28 by 7 plus 3. Minus 4 plus 3 is a minus 1, which is the same as this. This checking I would do if I were you for a test. Do you guys get it? Any questions, guys? Hey, you have to let me know. Do you have any questions?
No.
Okay. Now I want you to do 1 or 2 more, maybe. How about this? Yeah, this is a good one. You're going to do this one for me, okay? We will have minus 5x square minus 2x minus 8 equal to 0. Quadratic inequalities have not even started yet. Go ahead and do this. How many solutions? What solutions? What type? All that. What are the solutions? Let me know if you need help. Okay, nice, Arya. Thanks. Adav, did you understand? Oh yeah, you got it, right, Adav?
Yeah.
Yeah, see, Adav, that imaginary part, right? 6 by 14 can be simplified, right, right, Adav?
Yeah.
Okay. And 2 by 14 also can be simplified.
Uh-huh.
Okay, you got it, fine.
Do we just send you the answer?
Yeah, ma.
Okay.
You don't need a discriminant.
What is that?
You don't need to know the discriminant and like what type of food.
Not really. You can send the answers.
So do we just find the roots? Is it just the roots?
Just the roots is enough, ma. You know, I was in a hurry to prepare the 20 question test to you. You know what amount of pressure I had today to finish preparing the test for you. Had I known that it's next week, I would not have prepared at all. It's okay. Anyway, it'll be useful next week. Because I wanted that test form to be ready before I came into the class. Okay. Dhvani, whatever is in the square root, right? Whatever is inside the radical is incorrect, ma. That is right, guys. Arya and Satara. Krish, that's right. Dhvani, can you just change the value that is inside the square root? That is incorrect. Okay, Anirudh, I think you already got a hang of it. Krish got it. Arya got it. Sitara got it. Dhvani will correct it. Adav correct. Anirudh correct. Pranav, Pranav, you have not simplified it. Pranav, there's something wrong on the imaginary part. Shrag, nice. Pranav K, right. Cheryl. Oh, Cheryl, the same problem as that of Pranav K. Why? Cheryl, the imaginary part is incorrect, ma. You want me to do it on the board? Would it help? Guys, you have to
Sure.
tell me. Shall I do it on the board, Dhvani? You tell me, ma, Dhvani.
You can. Did I get the right answer?
No, the imaginary part was incorrect for Pranav K, you and Cheryl. So if you look at it here, I can multiply the entire equation by -1. I got all positive, so I don't make mistakes. X will be equal to minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now minus 2 plus or minus 5 is 20, 28, 160, 150.
Miss Priya, isn't A and C negative? It's
A and
-5
negative.
and
Yeah, ma, I just
-8.
changed, see, everything I changed to positive. That's why I know I'll make mistakes, right? I know I'll make mistakes with these negatives. So you can multiply the entire equation by 1. So everything, you got it?
Yeah.
So this side, if you multiply by 1, it will remain as 0. Now, there is very, very, very less chance of making mistakes. Do you see? Now, root of 156, prime factor is 156. So, what is this? This is root 39, 2 root 39. So, I 2 root 39. Divide by 10, right? So, this can be further simplified as minus 1 by 5 plus or minus I root 39 by 5. Yes, that's correct.
That's what I have as my answer as well.
Did you resend, Amma?
Yeah.
Oh, you resent. I didn't check your recent answer, Dhvani.
The I is after the square root.
Sorry, Dhvani, then. Correct, Dhvani. You're right. What you say is right. Correct, Dhvani. Sorry, ma. Adav correct. Pranav correct. Shagvi correct. Pranav K did. Oh, he got it. Cheryl, did you understand what is the mistake?
Yeah, I just did the 156 wrong.
Oh, okay. So as long as you understand, I'm okay. And then there was one another person I told. I forgot, guys. Okay, I think I'm good. Pranav V, did you get it?
Yeah, I accidentally just multiplied 2 by 2 instead of taking one of the 2's.
Oh, okay. Now, see, okay, so we are good with that. Discriminants, we are good. Okay, how about this? Okay, now there is a stadium, okay? Inside that stadium, as you enter the stadium, there is an arch, okay? There is an arch when you enter the stadium, okay? The equation of this arch is given by this equation, okay? Now, x and y are in feet, okay? Origin is at one end of the arch. Origin is at one end of the arch. Now, I am 6 feet 6 inches tall. Okay. Do you think I can walk through this arch without ducking? Do you think I can walk through this arch without ducking? Would you be able to do, or do you want me to give you clues? Guys, please let me know. You can't keep quiet.
You do.
What is it? Can I walk into this without ducking?
Yeah, could you do the problem?
Yeah, sure. See, that's what I wanted to know. So I've been given the equation already, right? The equation is x times 5 minus x. Now, I am a student who is 6 feet 6 inches tall. What does that mean? 6 feet 6 inches tall means 12 inches make up 1 feet. So can I call this as 6.5 inches? So basically what I need to understand is, for this, if the y value is 6.5, is this equation solvable? That's what I need to understand basically. So x times 5 minus x. Let's see what happens. So this is basically minus x square plus 5x, right? Equal to y. This is my equation. Now, without ducking, if I want to walk through, my vertex has to be something greater than 6.5 because I am 6.5 inches tall, right? Okay. So here, the other way of looking at it is, one is you can see whether your vertex is basically the x comma y point, right? The x comma y point of the vertex is basically more than 6.5. Can check. Or you can look at the discriminant value. If you find out the discriminant value, it will tell you whether you have proper solutions, right? So here, if I change this to 6.5, right? Minus x square plus 5x minus 6.5 equal to 0, or I can put it out as x square minus 5x plus 6.5. I feel very safe with my positive value. So I always multiply the equation by minus 1. So here, we'll find out discriminant. Minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2. Here this seems negative. In that case, the equation is said to have imaginary roots. Where it won't have real roots, the equation is not solvable and there is no way for me to enter this arch without ducking. Any questions? Any questions? Or I can try finding the vertex as well. Vertex is what? In a standard form equation, minus b by 2a, right? What is minus b by 2a? Right? Minus b by 2a, which is minus plus 2.5. So when x equal to 2.5, what happens? I would see. Let me see, guys. That is the second method. Let's see. When x equal to 2.5, what happens? Minus 2.5 square means what? 6.25 plus 5 times 2.5. Is it equal to 6.5? Let me see. Minus 6.5 equal to 0. Basically, what is the y value I need to find, right? So by plugging it in, this one is minus b by 2a is the x value of the vertex. So when I plug it in, minus 6.25 plus 5 times 2.5, what it is, guys? 25 to 5 is at 10, 11, 12, 12.5. Oh my God, just 1 second. Something feels wrong to me. Minus b by, okay, minus b by 2a is minus b by 2a. 2 times minus 1, correct. Okay, so that's the x value of the vertex, which is 2.5. Now, for the y value of the vertex, I will plug this in and find out the y value of the vertex. If it is 2.5, it will be 6.25 plus 2.5 times 5 is 2.5 times 5 is 12.5. When I do this, right, I am ending up with 6.25. See? So here it's not equal to 6.5. Do you see? 6.25, which is less than 6.5. So I cannot enter into it without ducking. Did you guys get it?
Yeah.
Yes, Dhwani, what was that? Dhwani, did you have a question?
No, I didn't say anything.
Okay, let's move on. Now I would like to do 1 or 2 word problems as well. Let me see. Then I'll go to inequalities. Okay, maybe I'll go to inequalities, come back. That is also fine. Okay, let's see this one. How to solve this quadratic inequality. Okay, now suppose you're given an equation in intercept form. Intercept form means factored form. This is the factored form of an quadratic equation. This is the factored form of a quadratic equation. Now, if I give you an inequality to be, find out all x values where g of x is less than 0. Can we try, guys? I will do it for you otherwise, okay? So when you think about this, right, how do you plot it? Okay, as soon as you see this, right, this you can use it to check your values as well. See, how do you graph it? What are the intercepts? Minus 1, right? X plus 1 equal to 0 is a factor. So minus 1 is an intercept and 3 is an intercept, correct? So basically, this curve is a downward facing parabola because of the negative. Now, what does it mean? I am asking for values that are less than 0. So less than 0 means this should be my solution. Are you all getting it or not? So x should be less than, it is less than 0. Less than 0 means at this point it is 0. So it has to be less than minus 1 or it has to be greater than 3. Did you get it or you didn't get it? Guys, I want to know your answers. Just
Could you
discuss.
explain again? I don't get.
You don't get it. What I'm saying is, this is a quadratic equation in intercept form. Intercept form means what are the intercepts of this quadratic equation? X equal to minus 1, there is a 0. Meaning, at x equal to minus 1, the y value is 0. And x equal to 3, the y value is 0. Are you all with me? Now, when I graph it, right, the minus 1 is here. The 3 is here. Do you guys get it? This is 3. This is a minus 1. Now, because of this minus, it is an inverted parabola. I don't know these points. I am least bothered. I just want to know in this graph, what are the areas that are under the x-axis? Less than 0 means under the x-axis. What are the points? This area, right? And then this area. This area is above the x-axis, so that's not part of the solution. Now, what is this in here? At this point, it is 0. But I am wanting all x values where the graph value is less than 0. So, x should be less than -1, less than this point, or x should be greater than 3. Those two are the solutions. Did you guys get, Dhwani, did you understand now?
Yeah, so like as an answer, we just write those inequalities.
Yeah, what I would write, I would combine these two simple inequalities to make it into a complex inequality. This is my solution. You got it? Make sense, Amma?
Shouldn't it be
Yeah, this is incorrect. The compound inequality is incorrect. What, Arya? Go ahead, because see this. Go ahead, Arya.
wait, wouldn't it be
This is right. Go ahead.
never mind. I thought it was wrong, but it was.
No, please go ahead. Let's discuss, right?
No, I thought you had to like flip the sign for the x is greater than 3, but you don't have to because like
See okay. Can't I simplify this as -1 crocodile open mouth? I'm just checking. Okay, x, and then x is there. I did this, and then x is again greater than 3. Does it make sense?
yeah.
It makes sense, right? Yeah, or see if you're overly, we can do this x is less than -1 and x greater than 3, other solutions. When you write the solution set in set notation, how will you write it? X, restrictions on x are x greater than 3, x greater than 3 union you write, or you can say x greater than 3 or x less than -1. You say like this, the restrictions. This is how you write it down. Any questions? So solving quadratic inequalities is very easy, provided you understand how it all works. Now, the same question, the same problem, can we look at how to find out the inequality, how to find out all values of x where g of x is less than or equal to 0. Can we try that? If it is less than or equal to 0, how will the answer change? Ragvi, are you following, ma?
Yeah.
So these two are the intercepts, right? -1 and +3. Okay, this was a downward facing curve as well. Okay, now all values less than or equal to 0 means x less than or equal to -1, because at -1 it is 0. It is less than or equal to, right? So you need to include that -1 and x greater than or equal to 3. Do you see the difference, guys? Only at those points it is below the x-axis, which is a negative value. That's what it is asking for. Anirudh, did you understand or are you with me?
Yeah, I understand.
Okay. Now, how about this? So you know what these are called? Critical values of the inequality. These are called critical values. The intercepts, right? These are called critical values. There you need to make a decision whether that is included in the solution set or not. Critical values of the inequality. Now, let's go ahead and try this one. I'll give you an easy one. How about this? I want an easy one. I don't want a hard one. Okay, how about this? X square, I'm just doing it graphically first. You want to do or you want me to do? Please be blatant about it. If you want me to do, yeah, I'll do it immediately. But please tell me. Guys, do you want me to do or are you going to do?
Can you just do this one and then?
Yeah, sure. I will do, I'm saying, but just be, meaning, you can just say, let's do it together, or you will do by yourself. I'm okay with anything I'm saying, but just that Before you go out of the class, understand and go.
Yeah,
So
could we do it
then-
together?
Yeah, sure. So here what will I do? I will subtract 2 on both sides. And then x square minus 6x plus 8 is greater than or equal to 0. That means, what does it say? I want to know what part of the graph is above or equal to 0. First, let me solve this. Quickly, for me to solve, I'll use the quadratic formula. Minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac is divided by 2. 6 plus or minus square root of 4 is 2, right? 2 by 2. So x will be equal to 8 by 2 or 4 by 2, which is 4 or 2. Any questions still here? That means what? 4 or 2 means 2 is here, 4 is here. Okay. At those points, the value is 0. Are they included or not? We will see. This is a parabola, upward facing parabola, because there is no negative coefficient for the leading term of x. Leading term of x is the highest power of x. For that, the coefficient is not negative. So it is an upward facing parabola. If that is the case, what is the inequality asked? The graph, this is my graph, the U curve. I want all the points that are above the x-axis are equal to 0. So this should be included because at that point it's equal to 0. I only want this as the answer. So what is that? X is less than 2 or less than or equal to 2 or x is greater than or equal to 4. Am I making it clear, guys?
Yes.
How about Krish? Can you tell me?
Yeah, it makes sense.
Makes sense. Sitara, does it make sense for you?
Yeah, it makes sense now.
Okay, now, okay. Suppose if you're not graphing it, I showed you how to graph it and find out. But sometimes they won't want you to graph it. When they say, hey, solve algebraically, they don't want to see the graph. In that case, I won't see the graph, but I know my critical values, right? Let me do it this side. X will be 4 or x will be equal to 2. You know, 2 and 4 are here, but I can't graph it, right? So I have to know whether this is the solution set or outside is the solution set. Either or only the parabola can be like this or can be like this, right? We have no way of graphing it. So you know the critical values, right? So in between the critical value, let's see whether whatever is between the critical values is solution. 3 is the point which is between. So I'll go ahead and substitute 3 in x. 9 minus 6 times 3 plus 10. Is it greater than or equal to 2? I'll check. 9 minus 18 plus 10. That's a 1. I get a 1. 1 is not greater than or equal to 2. Do you see, guys? Algebraically, I took a point between these 2 points. Okay, when I took it and substituted that in my inequality rendered false. As a result, whatever is in between is not a solution. Whatever is outside meaning this part that's outside and this part that's outside is only the solution. Do I include the critical points? Yes, I include, because is greater than or equal to 0, and at critical points, the value of the graph is 0. Does it make sense? Pranav, what do you think? Pranav?
Yeah, I get it.
Okay, so can we try one? Let's see. How about this? Once you understand, it's so easy. Both graphing as well as algebraically, it's very easy. How about this? I'll give it an intercept form now. You tell me what x minus 2, x minus 4. This is a quadratic inequality. Just tell me if I give this to you. What is the solution set for this quadratic inequality? If you want me to solve, I will solve, but just be very blank about it.
Wait, what was the question?
What is the question? Solve this quadratic inequality.
Okay.
Find all x
Okay. Yeah.
where I gave you greater than or equal to 0. Ayyo. Oh, yeah. Is that right, Pranav K? One of the roots seem incorrect. Oh, okay. Did I make a mistake in giving? Oh, yeah. Sorry, I'm seeing the wrong answer. Arya signs. Oh, with equal signs. Okay. Greater than or equal to 4. Correct, Arya. Pranav K, correct. Dhwani signs don't seem correct. Dhwani signs are just the opposite for both. Dhwani. Adav, correct.
Yeah, I meant to switch them. I don't know why.
Okay, if you. No, it's okay. You did it in interval notation, but. Oh, okay. Correct. Correct, Cheryl. Correct, but I did not get answers. Some of the answers. Do you want to send it to me? Shragvi, can I get your answer? You're doing great now, I feel, Shragvi.
Yeah, I'm almost
Did
done.
you get the answer, ma?
I'm almost done.
Oh, okay, I'll wait. Vagmi, where is your answer? Krish, did you get it?
Yeah, I sent my answer.
Sorry, Krish, I didn't see, honestly. Yeah, Krish, that's right. Sitara, that's correct, ma. Anirudh, did you send it?
I need help on this one. I was just about to say
Yeah.
that.
No problem at all. Here, it's greater than or equal to 0, right? What I'm saying is the critical points are 2 and 4. Okay. When you compare the graph at 2 and 4, there is a 0. Okay. But I don't know whether it needs to be included. 2 and 4 are the critical points. It's an upward facing parabola or downward facing parabola. What is the coefficient of x square? 3. So it is a positive number. So it's an upward facing parabola. What are they asking? All parts of the U curve, which is greater than or equal to 0 means above the x-axis, right? So they just need this. What is that? How can I define the x? But then that point is included because equal to 0 is as well included. Anirudh, are you with me? Anirudh? Anirudh, you're not on the video. How can I say that you're there? Guys, don't switch off the videos, guys. Are you there, Anirudh? Did you understand?
Yeah, understood. My internet went out for a second, so I turned it off so it would work.
Okay. Did you get it now?
Yeah, I understand now.
So now, algebraically, if you want to do 2 and 4, right? Choose a value in between. Substitute 3 here and see 3 times 1 times minus 1. Is it greater than or equal to 0? No. So whatever is in between, right? That's not solution. Whatever is outside of 4 and less than 2, less than or equal to 2 are only the solution. So the solution set is these two. Now let's try this one. How about this? Okay, this one you have to do once more. Plus 3x plus 4 is less than or equal to minus 2. Can we try that one? Now I want to go ahead and solve some word problems after this one. Yeah, word problems, they can give you anything. With quadratic inequalities, they can make it any complicated or any less complicated as well. We can do some. See, but we want inequalities, right? Okay. Okay, let's do.
Miss Priya, I found the two solutions. I don't know how to make the inequality after that. Is it okay if I just send
Yeah, anything is okay, ma. Yeah, wherever you're not getting it, I'm going to work it out on the board. That's all. What was the question? Where did I give you? Yeah, you can send it to me if you're stuck. Dhwani, this is an inequality, right? Yeah, Dhwani. Now,
Yeah, that's the part I don't like. I don't know how to
okay.
make inequality.
Okay,
So I
okay,
just
okay.
did this to-
Seema, so okay, no problem. You have found your critical points, right? Those critical points are where the U curve, it is going to be a U like this, or it is going to be a U like this, right, Dhwani? This is your critical point. You get it, Dhwani?
Yeah, I did you that.
Yeah,
part.
but this is correct or this is correct?
The
See
second one is correct.
The second one is correct. So basically, but you know what the problem is? It's less than or equal to minus 2. This is very difficult for me to solve if graphically. If you're required to do it graphically, what I would better do is add 2 to both sides and then do like this so that the u part of the curve, whichever is less than 0 under the x-axis becomes your answer. And you already know what are the points. If you solve this, you will know what are the points that are equal to 0, for which the graph value equal to 0. So whatever is underneath is your solution set.
Okay, yeah.
Here
Okay.
the solution set is going to be, if it is downward facing, this is all wrong. This is not the solution set, but this is the solution set. You got it?
Yeah.
Okay, so now that is graphically. But if you're asked to do it algebraically, the best way is find the points. Okay, after finding the points, choose a point in between and substitute it in the equation and see whether the equation is working. The equation works, in between is the solution. If the equation does not work, whatever is outside is the solution. Making sense? Dhvani, did I clarify?
Yeah.
You, Cheryl, the whatever you have not marked seem to be the solution, Cheryl.
Yeah, I took it for the other way around. Sorry.
Oh, okay, greater than or equal to 0. Ah.
Yeah.
Okay, I see. We can do one word problem if you all finish it. Krish, that's correct, but I didn't get answers. Anirudh, are you getting it or not? I have no idea.
Yeah, I'm working it out.
Pranav, okay, got it. Adav, correct. Mm, um, Adav, is that correct? I feel like you have marked whatever is inside as a solution, but I feel like whatever is outside is a solution. Adav, am I making it clear?
Yeah, let me just check it one more time.
Yeah, because I am feeling whatever is in between you have marked as the solution. That's my understanding. But as far as I know, whatever is outside is a solution. Today it's a little light. We are only working on quadratic inequalities, and word problems will be very easy, provided you can farm them. Adav, did you get it? Hey, I didn't get answers from Shagvi. What's going on with you, Shagvi?
I sent my answer.
You sent,
I
sorry.
saw the mistake.
Oh, you saw, okay, okay.
Yeah.
Shagvi, X is less than or equal. Oh, wow. Nice, ma. Shagvi, you got a hang of it, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's try this one. Let me erase this off. One last question, guys. Okay, let me give you this. Arya, did you get it?
I said my answer.
Oh, okay. Listen, okay. I did not honestly see, but let me see. I'll check. Go ahead and try this one. I have two questions for you. Okay. Let's see. I have two questions for you. Okay. This is a word problem. Let's try working that out. One question is this. Second question is this. Two questions. You can work it out. If you don't know, I'll work it out. You get it? If you're not getting it, immediately let me know. I'm okay.
Auntie,
Yeah.
which would the y value be 288 or would it be the x value?
Good question. Okay. Object's height is y equal to. Okay. X value is at the rate of 140. Okay. An object is launched from the ground directly upward at a rate of 144 feet per second. So one quantity is feet, one quantity is seconds. So what do you think? There are two quantities x and y, right? One is feet, one is second. So basically they've given the equation for object's height is y. It has to be in feet, right?
Yeah,
Then y is in feet, x is in
it's in second.
seconds. That is the time. Do you see? There are only two quantities that are discussed. One is second, one is feet. Object's height is y they have already given. So that is in feet. So x is in second. So this 288 feet is, you know the answer, right, Anirudh?
Yeah.
Okay. Vagmi, I don't understand why you have two answers there. So Arya. I want to see the answers. Yeah, Arya. Arya, you got it. You can log off, Arya.
Yeah, bye, Miss Priya.
Yeah, bye-bye. Do well. Vagmi, is that right, Vagmi? Somewhere the second value is incorrect, Vagmi. Pranav, we great. You can log off.
Thanks. Bye.
ಇದೆನ್ನ Vagmi, that's correct. Did you see your mistake, Ma Vagmi? I'm waiting for all your answers. I'll check one by one.
I
Okay.
did. I got it.
Yeah.
Can I log off?
Yeah. You can go, Ma. Thank you for
Bye.
asking. Bye, Ma.
Miss Priya, is this the equation that I used to find A?
Yeah, Ma, that equation. But then what values of x is the object at or above a height? So how will you set the equation?
So it'd be like greater or equal to.
Correct. So so I would set the equation as minus 16 x square plus 144 x is greater than or equal to 288, right? See, or the graph is or above. So greater than or equal to 288. You will solve this. You get it?
Yeah.
And how long is the object? So basically it is up above, right? Meaning you will have a downward facing parabola. So this part is the solution set. And then x value this and this, the difference between that is the seconds for which it is at that height. Does it make sense, Ma?
Also, can I just leave? I have to like really
Sure.
go somewhere. Bye, Miss Priya.
Sure, Ma. Bye. Krish, did you understand?
Repeat that.
Shragvi, yes, Shragvi, that is correct. Both are correct. Anirudh, the second answer is correct. The first answer is incorrect. The first answer, x value should be a range of values, right? Krish, did you get it, Krish?
Yeah, kind of.
Kind of. What is that you didn't get? You tell me, I'll help you.
I'm not sure like how to start it.
Oh, how to start solving it, you're saying?
Yeah.
Okay, why can't we do divide by 2 entirely? If I divide by 2, I get this. Even I don't know how to solve. Let's see. 72x greater than 144. Now again it goes by 2, right? I will do like this, meaning divide by 2 entirely, right? So that way 36x greater than or equal to 72. Again, I can divide by 4. When you look at it, I can divide by 4 looks like, right? So minus x square plus 9x is greater than or equal to 18. So minus x square plus 9x minus 18 is greater than or equal to 0. Now is it easy?
Yeah.
You will be able to solve, right?
Yeah.
Yes, those two x values. See, when you solve it, you get two x values, right? Those two are the x values between which it is above the x-axis. So that will be your B answer. A answer is what values of x is the object at between these two. See, between these two, and how long is the object at or above this height is the difference between these two. Krish, did it make sense?
Yeah.
Anirudh, if it made sense, you can log off if you understood. Feel free to log off. At the same time, make sure you get it. That's all for me.
All right. Thank you, Auntie. Bye.
Bye, Ma. Sitara, did you get it?
Yeah, I got it now. I was just doing it like the wrong way, I guess.
Okay.
But I get
Krish,
it.
Krish and Adav, did you have a question? Cheryl, did you have a question? I'm here. You can finish, send it and go. Or if you understood, you can leave. It's all on you. You let me know.
I sent mine.
Oh, you sent mine. Okay, I didn't see. Yes, Cheryl, answer for B is 3. 3 to 6 is the first answer. You want me to solve it on the board?
Yes, please.
Okay. Something feels wrong to me. See, here, just now we had the equation, right? Let me go ahead and show you this directly. So that way it's easy. You see here? We got this equation, right? X square minus 9x plus 18 greater than or equal to 0. So when you solve that, you got x minus 6 and x minus 3. 3 and 6 are the critical values. You get it? So between 3 and 6 seconds, the object was above x-axis. What is the difference between these two values? 6 minus 3. For 3 seconds, it was above. You got it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Sitara, any questions for me, Sitara? Okay, guys. Let me go ahead and let you in. Adav, did you have any questions for me?
I found the two
Critical values?
yeah.
What are they?
-3 and -6.
It is positive 3 and positive 6, right? It can't be
Well,
negative.
I meant like it'll be x minus 6 and x minus 3.
Correct, correct. So between 3 and 6 seconds, it was above, okay? And then 6 minus 3, 3 seconds, it was above.
Yeah.
Okay, Adav. See you all next week, Adav. Have a nice week ahead.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye, Ma. Hi, guys. How are you all?